What's going on, guys and gals? Stock Jock here, up $3,166 on the day. This is by far my biggest day of the year. Well, not by far, I guess, but definitely my biggest day of the year. I've been hoping to get a $3,000 day. It's not really my style to swing for the fences. It just happened today that I got a lot of triples and doubles and a couple home runs with my trading, and that led to me getting $3,166.00. Really great day, but let's get right into the trades. First and foremost, I want to invite everybody to my free Discord chat that I run. Here it is right here. The link for this is down in the description below of this YouTube video. It's here for new traders. I'm here to help. It's really good during the market hours. We have a lot of experienced traders and new traders alike, so everybody's here for something. And so some people are still learning, other people are helping other people learn. It's a really good environment. So if you're a new trader or an old trader, come on in. We'd love to have you. So my first trade of the day is CPSH. This one, you can kind of see here, just boom, popped up out of nowhere. It hit my scanner. And I was really thinking, the first thing I saw on the daily chart is it had these kind of pops here. So knowing that it can run, so I was willing to jump in it. It took 2,000 shares, got in at 170. Guess what the high day was today? 170. That's right, I top ticked this one. No, that's the price I entered. Whew, okay. I got in at 168. That's when I got filled. Whew. All right, so I didn't top tick it. But anyway, popped up. And as soon as I got in, it just started selling off. The volume dried up. It just didn't have any follow through. So as it was coming back down through the level of where it started, I sold, and I lost about 13 cents on the trade. So not the greatest way to start the day. MLNK, this one had a little bit of a chat room push behind it. It started moving up. It was kind of on everybody's radar. It was gapping up. And it was kind of on everybody's radar anyway. So out of the open, as it started to kind of, here's kind of the opening range. You can kind of see here. As it starts to break out of that to the upside, it's going to create momentum. And I just hopped on that with a couple chat rooms as well. Went long at 237. Sold seconds later inside this pop here at 255 for, what is that? 18-cent win. Nice win there. Got me green on the day. I think it was green by $100 at this point. SRAX, this one started to hit my low float scanner here. Popped up. I went long as soon as I saw it, knowing that it's a Bitcoin play. It's a stock that I'm familiar with. I've been playing it for feels like weeks now. And when I got in it, Warrior Trading also got in it at the same time, creating momentum with all the followers. So this got a little pop up through here. This is the candle I got in, and I made about 9 cents on the trade, 2,000 shares, $180. DSS, this one was a fun one for me today. It started to hit my low float scanner right here, and once I saw that, I saw this volume bar, and I jumped in immediately. So I got in it right here, 9.45 at $1.50, 53 is when I got filled. So right here, and it didn't do anything. In fact, I thought I was going to sell off. And you could see here it dropped below 50, and then it was kind of hanging. The lot was going on right here in 1 minute, but it started hanging down in the 140s. I'm like, oh geez, here we go again. This is going to be just like my first trade of the day, CPSH. So I was actually looking to exit, and right as I was about to sell, I hear Benzinga, my news source, say that DSS is being circulated on social media as having a blockchain trademark. And I immediately bought another 2,000 shares when I heard that. So inside of this candle here. So I am sitting at 4,000 shares at basically $1.52. And that immediately sent this thing into orbit a little bit here. So on the pop, I sold 2,000 shares at $1.72 to lock in some profit. That was $400 profit right there. And the rest got halted. So out of the halt, it opened up. I was just kind of looking during this 10-minute halt, I was able to look and find if it indeed was a trademark. And turned out, yeah, there was a trademark filing, but it wasn't an actual trademark for anything. I mean, even so, it's still just a trademark. It's kind of like a patent. It's kind of, they're not, it's just very early on. It's like Coca-Cola's trademark, right? I mean, it's like that's not going to make you money. You know what I mean? It's not a business deal. It's still a trademark. So, um, regardless, I thought it would get over two. It did get over two, and I sold inside this initial pop here. Got out my second half at 223. That was almost a 75-cent win there on 2,000 shares. So that I crushed it on that one. MOSY, this one, former runner. I'm very familiar with the stock. I've played it a lot in the past. So I know that it can move. It's a low float stock. It hit my scanners, and it also was a news play. The news was MOSY was being circulated as a blockchain play. I had my doubts that it actually was, but nonetheless, I knew it was going to pop the stock. Anytime recently, it's like if you hear blockchain, boom, the stock is going to pop. So I bought 4,000 shares, an average of 132, right inside here, right about here. And it did pop all the way to 151, but I sold at 143. So about about an 11-cent win average on 4,000 shares, another $440. CPAH, this one I was interested in because of the candle over candle on the daily chart. But kind of see here, I had this huge pop 3 days ago. It's consolidated on the pullback, and now today I was looking forward to getting to this candle over candle break here on the daily chart. And when I saw it starting to hit my scanners, I knew volume was starting to come into it. So I went long for the break of $3. I went long at 295 right about here. And sure enough, we got the break of 3, and it popped up. Well, it doesn't show it in this candle, but it popped up over 3 and then kind of hovered in this area. So I was like, it could easily, it could easily just sell off back to lows a day, right? There's no guarantee it's going to go candle over candle in a daily. So I actually sold at 303, making $160 on the trade. As soon as I sold, what does it do? It breaks that level right there, that 316, 315 level, and just took off. Actually, as it was breaking 315, I tried to get back in it, and I didn't get filled, so it ran without me. I did end up playing it again. Let's move forward a little bit. Right here, you can kind of see the pop. I waited for a pullback, and then I went candle over candle on the 1 minute for an entry. So the break right here at 350, I bought at 353. It ran up. I believe a chat room also got in this one as well. So it created this volume spike here, 140,000 shares of volume, and I sold at 378 right here at the top for a nice 25-cent win on 2,000 shares. So another $500. And that's it. There's not a ton of trades today, as you can see here. These are all my trades, not very many. I only traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tickers today. So that's the kind of day I like to have for sure. So if you have any questions on my trading style, please find me in my Discord chat. I'm there to help, there to educate people on how to trade, or my trading style, I should say. Also, if you're interested at all, you may be familiar with the Millionaire Roadmap run by Jason Bond Group, or the Nucleus Group run by Kyle Dennis. They're running a Christmas special right now. It's definitely not a chat room for everybody. It usually costs around $10,000, and they're running it for about 70% off. A link for those is down in the description below, and if you use the coupon code, which I'll put down there as well, you'll receive that 70% off. So that'll be there if you're interested in it. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.